Ceramic coatings used to cost $1,000 at a detailing shop. Now you can grab one on Amazon for under $50. But here's the real question. Do they actually hold up? Or are you just paying for a fancy bottle of spray wax? I tested 7 budget ceramic coatings on my own car, same paint, same prep, same condition. Some of them genuinely impressed, others complete waste of money. I'm ranking all 7 right now so you know exactly what to buy and what to leave on the shelf. The first on the list is the CERAKOTE Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. The CERAKOTE Platinum is a spray-on ceramic sealant designed for fast, simple application. It carries a 50-wash durability rating, holding protection through approximately 50 wash cycles. The formula delivers strong hydrophobic performance, causing water to bead and roll off painted surfaces. It enhances gloss and adds noticeable slickness to the finish. Application is spray-on, buff-off, with no curing time required. That makes it accessible to anyone without professional detailing experience. The drawback is that it is a sealant rather than a true hard-coat ceramic. For those seeking professional-grade coating depth, it falls short. However, as a maintenance layer, or for drivers who want easy spray-on protection, it performs well above expectation. For everyday car owners who want quick hydrophobic protection without complex application, the CERAKOTE Platinum is a strong entry point. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys HydroSlick. The HydroSlick is an SiO2 ceramic coating hyperwax formulated to bond to exterior surfaces. SiO2, or silicon dioxide, is the core compound in professional ceramic coating, making this chemically more advanced than standard spray waxes. It creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dirt, and light contaminants from the paint. It also delivers deep gloss enhancement alongside the protect. Application is hand-applied, spread evenly and buff off, no special tools. The limitation is durability compared to hard-coat ceramic. The protection layer requires periodic reapplication to maintain its performance. Still, for the price point, the SiO2 protection level is genuinely impressive. For enthusiasts who want advanced ceramic chemistry without the professional price tag, the Chemical Guys HydroSlick is a compelling and well-balanced choice. At number 3, we have the Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. The Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 is an SiO2 spray wax built for multi-surface protection. It works on paint, wheels, plastic trim, rubber, and chrome in a single application. This versatility makes it practical for a full exterior detail with one product. The USA-made formula is designed to be more durable than conventional waxes or sealant. It delivers strong water beading and a consistent high gloss finish. The downside is that a single all-surface formula cannot match the depth of surface-specific product. Dedicated wheel or trim products would offer more targeted protection in those areas. But for users who want complete exterior coverage in one step, it excels. For car owners wanting a versatile ceramic spray that handles every exterior surface, the Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 is a highly efficient choice. At number 4, we have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax. The Turtle Wax Ceramic Wet Wax is designed for application directly onto a wet vehicle. No drying step is needed before use. The formula delivers ceramic protection and super hydrophobic performance in a single rinse step. Apply to the wet surface during rinsing, rinse off, and the coating bonds to the paint. This cuts detail time significantly compared to dry application product. It also combines traditional wax gloss properties with modern ceramic protection. The limitation is bonding depth. Wet application produces a thinner coating layer than dry ceramic product. For maximum long-term durability, dry applied ceramics still outperform it. But as a fast maintenance coating applied during regular washing, it holds genuine value. For car owners who want easy ceramic protection added to every wash routine, the Turtle Wax Ceramic Wet Wax is a time-saving standout. At number 5, we have the WEIRUIXIN Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. This graphene ceramic coating from WEIRUIXIN is a hard coat formula designed for long-term surface protection. The graphene reinforced compound delivers strong hydrophobicity, anti-scratch resistance, and UV protection. Application follows a traditional hard coat process. Apply to small panel sections, allow flash time, and buff off. The result is a high gloss, slick finish that resists water, contamination, and environmental exposure. Graphene adds flexibility compared to standard silicon dioxide coating, reducing the risk of micro-cracking over time. The limitation is surface preparation. The paint must be fully decontaminated and polished before application. Skipping this step significantly reduces bonding strength and long-term durability. For users without detailing experience, the preparation process can be a real barrier. But for those who commit to proper prep, the results reflect a genuine hard coat ceramic. For experienced detailers who want graphene-grade protection at a budget price, the WEIRUIXIN graphene coating delivers strong value. Coming up next, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating Kit. The Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating Kit includes the coating product along with premium microfiber towels in one complete package. The formula delivers ultra-durable protection with strong water beading, increased gloss, and improved surface slickness. It also conceals light paint defects during application, adding a finishing benefit beyond protection alone. The process is straightforward: apply, cure, and buff. No separate materials required. The kit format removes the guesswork of sourcing the right applicator. The limitation is surface condition. Meguiar recommends the paint be in excellent condition before applying. For paint with heavy swirling or scratches, a polishing step is still advised beforehand. However, for most daily drivers with reasonably maintained paint, the kit is ready to go. For car owners who want a complete, ready-to-use ceramic solution with everything included, the Meguiar's Ultimate Kit is a well-rounded package. The last one on our list is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax Spray. This product is engineered specifically for black and dark colored vehicles. The ceramic acrylic formula fills micro surface imperfections that dark paint tends to reveal. It delivers jet black color depth and a high gloss shine, enhancing both new and aged paint finishes. The coating also provides ceramic protection with strong water-beading performance. Application is a simple spray-on process with no complex steps. The result is a noticeably richer, darker appearance that standard clear waxes cannot replicate. The limitation is specificity. On lighter or silver paint, the dark enhancing properties offer no visual benefit. A standard ceramic spray would be more suitable for those finishes, but for black and dark vehicle owners, this delivers a targeted advantage that general products miss. For dark vehicle owners wanting deep color enhancement and ceramic protection, the Turtle Wax Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray is the right choice. So that is it for the best ceramic coatings under $50 for this year. We hope this helps you find the right level of protection for your vehicle.